What's up, guys? Today I'm checking out more H-Town. This one's titled Don't Hold Back the Rain, requested by Mother Popcorn on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. And funny story, I was actually listening to Tribe Called Quest Electric Relaxation not too long ago, and like, man, it's just so crazy how like intertwined hip hop can be and whatnot. Cause like I was listening to it and Fife's verse was on, and he was like knock the boots, like the group H-Town. And like I'm like, oh snap, it makes sense now. I know who H-Town is. Like that whole, like, I don't know, it's just something about when artists do that. Like I knew Biggie did it a lot, and I don't know, it was just something about that line that just hit different now. But yeah, I'm very excited to check this one out. H-Town, these guys are pretty good, man, pretty good. I've done a couple of their tracks and I don't know, they're pretty good. Like that R&B, yeah. So I don't know what that was, but let's just go ahead and get into it, man. Okay, I'm giving the beat a chance.
As I laid face to face with you, I know that I've noticed that you don't want me to tell you right now. Rain is falling down. I want a divorce right now.
Y'all know how much I love the rain, man. The rain effects.
I can't go through it, say, let the rain come fall. I'ma call the police. Let the rain come fall. I ain't gon' hit fighting cats and dogs. I said I wanna be gone, and they say, oh, alright. I can't make it with you. Yeah, do. Cause when I sleep, I'm doomed. Yeah, my shit. Got to move on, creep on, yeah. But your love to start shit. I gotta do it, don't do it. Say, it just died from me to hit you.
Okay, so there's a little bit of a almost story going on. So
you see, it's over.
Like
We don't have no love. Let's go. Let the rain come fall. Let the rain come fall. It's falling, yeah. We'll start to fight, yeah. Oh.
whoa. Also, is it just me, or is the dude in the middle almost like look like Michael B. Jordan? I don't know why I just saw that, but now I can't unsee it. Like, dude in the middle legit looks like he could be his brother, like Michael B. Jordan's brother or something like that. That's, wow, I can't unsee that now.
Every day we fuss and fight. We've got to separate. She when the good is gone. We've got to move on. Cause baby, I'ma get you. You doing wrong, do my want. You know what I'm saying? Yo. Oh, do me, yeah. Come on. Y'all know it, yeah. See, I ain't about doing all that to my woman. I wanna ride down there never know with my niggas, my homies.
This had to have been like 2000s H-Town or something, man. This, wow. Sorry, like for anybody who disagrees, but like to me personally, this was just felt like standard, typical, average R&B. It had nothing to it that really grabbed me or made me in any way just want to re-listen to this song at all. Like that was pretty bad if you ask me. I mean, I'm not gonna say it was bad, but it was just nothing about this song at all. Sheesh, man. I hate to be like the bearer of bad news. Wow. Well, we could play devil's advocate and say maybe this, like, is whoever uploaded this, the quality of it maybe was a bit off. But even then, like, the beat itself was just non-intuitive at all. I mean, non-intuitive at all. It was just non-intuitive. I mean, the vocals were good, but like without a strong foundation for the song, like it just, wow, it did not stand up. And yeah, I hate to say it, but this song was, in my opinion, bad. I mean, that's, sheesh, man. Please tell me this is 2000s H-Town. This has to be 2000s H-Town. There's no way this is 90s H-Town, man. No way. But yeah, I definitely will check out some more H-Town in the future. But yeah, I don't know about this one. But if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe. And also, furthermore, if you enjoyed the honesty, because I know a lot of other reactors would just sit up here and being forced to smile under the impression that they don't want anybody to get in their feelings because they have different opinions than the viewer. So if you enjoyed the honesty of that just now, make sure you smack the like button. And yeah, with that being said, man, much love, stay safe, and peace out.